Welcome to Study with Flow. In today's video, we are going to learn about feature engineering. Now, what exactly is this feature engineering? Feature engineering is the process of using domain knowledge to extract features, characteristics, properties, attributes from raw data. Basically, we are trying to extract different features from our data. We can transform our data, we can reduce the number of columns in our data. For all these things, we need industry expertise or the business domain knowledge. Now, let us consider our cars example, which we have been using for handling missing values, outliers, and everything. Now, let us see how does the cars dataset look like. So df.head, let's run this. So you have all these columns with you. Now, if you observe these columns over here, that is, we come to this end of it. So we have this width and height column. Computer will not know what to do with these two columns. But as human brains, we understand that width into height is nothing but area. And it is a very good thing to always reduce the number of columns in our data set. If you see over here, we have around 15 columns in our data set. And if we convert this width and height into one, that is area, we will have 14 columns. When we have lesser amount of columns, our predictions would be much better than otherwise. So now let us convert this width and height column into an area column. All these insights we have got because of the domain knowledge. If we do not know that the area is nothing but height into width, then we cannot apply all these things. So when we get into the domain, we learn a lot of things and we can do a lot of feature engineering. We can reduce the number of columns so that our model becomes much more robust. So now let us create a column which is named as area. Now this column is nothing but df width, and it is multiplied by df height, and we will drop width and height. So we are dropping two columns and we are making it into one column. So df dot drop, what do we have to drop? We have to drop the width column and the height column, and these are columns. So we have to tell our computer that these are columns. How do we say that? Axis is equals to 1. Now let us run this. So now we do not have the width and the height column, and we just have the area column, and our number of columns have reduced to 14 columns. If you observe over here, now we have 14 columns. So we have successfully reduced the column, and then we have made a column which is much more effective than the previous two columns. I hope everyone is clear with the idea of what exactly is feature engineering and why feature engineering is important. If you have any queries regarding feature engineering, do post it in the comment section below. Do like, share, and subscribe to Study with Flow. Thanks for watching.